First noticed by Faraday on the surface of a liquid in a vibrating container. Meldy demonstrated this phenomenon with vibrating strings. Stationary or standing waves are waves with boundary conditions. They oscillate in time, but peak amplitude profile does not move in space. Oscillations at different points throughout the wave are in phase. Nodes have zero amplitude or minimum amplitude, and antinodes have maximum amplitude. See these points, nodes, where amplitude is zero. This one, this one, this one, here. Similarly here, these are nodes, all where amplitude is zero, this one. And where amplitude is maximum, these are antinodes. This is the resultant waveform of the standing wave. And these two are waves which give rise to this resultant. Now we can see, there are 5 cases. When t is equal to 0, when t is equal to 1 by 4t, this capital T denotes time period, time taken to complete one vibration. Then this third case is when t is equal to half of time period, t is equal to 3 by 4 of time period, and when t is equal to capital T. Now first we will see here, when at t equal to 0, this first case, the progressive waves traveling to the left and right are in phase. Waves are in phase, hence constructive interference takes place. Now second case, this one. At t equal to t by 4, waves are 180 degree out of phase. You can see this crest lies over trough. They are anti-phase, out of phase, 180 degree out of phase. Hence interference is destructive. Now in third case again, waves are back in phase again, so constructive interference will take place. Case number 4, when t is equal to t 3 by 4t, waves are out of phase again and destructive interference takes place. And last case is again when t is equal to capital T, again in phase, so constructive interference will take place. It can be noted that separation between adjacent nodes here or anywhere along these 5 cases, separation between adjacent node is lambda by 2, where lambda is the wavelength of sound or any wave, and nodes and antinodes are separated by lambda by 4. See this node anywhere, antinode and node, lambda by 4. Also, speed of the progressive wave is equal to v, which can be found by the equation v equal to f lambda, where f is the frequency of the waves. And it can be noted that in case of these stationary or standing waves, wave velocity is 0 as it does not travel and does not transfer energy. Now see how these waves are formed, stationary waves. When the string of a musical instrument like guitar is plucked halfway along its length, when both ends are fixed, it vibrates with an antinode at its midpoint. Here, this is midpoint, antinode. This is known as fundamental mode of vibration of string. The fundamental frequency of a standing wave is the minimum frequency for a given system or arrangement. So these are some of the possible stationary waves for a fixed length of string of length L. The frequency of the harmonic is a multiple of the fundamental frequency, as can be seen. Twice, 3 times. A guitar string may vibrate with 2 antinodes, see here, along its length. This gives a note having twice the frequency of the fundamental and is described as a harmonic of the fundamental. Harmonic frequency is always a multiple of the fundamental.